Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to show you how to make a simple cognitive task with the help of AI using an IDE, so a code writing software, but without having to code at all. And I'll start off with a very simple reaction time task that you can use to test your own reaction time or someone else's and monitor it over time. Okay, let's try this out. So I'm going to go to my IDE, which is Cursor, and I'll open a new project. I'll just call that reaction time. Create, select the folder, wherever I want to do that, and let's see what we have in store. So what I want to do first is, okay, well, let me create a new file and just call this rt.html. So that's the file that's going to run everything for me. And what I want to do is find cursor chat. So there we go. So there's the pane that's available in the top right hand corner. And I'm just going to choose the agent because that's the fastest way to do it. And let me see if I can do that. So I use something called Superwhisper just to dictate all my instructions to the agent, and let's see if this can create something for me. So here we go. Write an HTML script using p5.js to test my reaction time. I want this to be a cognitive task that runs 10 trials and tests my ability to click on a button in the middle of the screen as fast as I can. At the beginning, I want instructions, then a countdown to the task, and at the end, a trial by trial time report, and then the average score as well. Here we go. There we go. So it seems to have transcribed everything that I said, and I'm just going to press submit. And as you can see, it's using Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which is one of the best models. So let's see how fast it can do it. I'm just going to accept everything and debug it and see what works. There we go. So still thinking, enough time to drink some coffee. There we go, one shot. It seems to have created a game. You can see the sort of JavaScript embedded within the HTML text here. Seems pretty good. And at the end it says, would you like me to make any adjustments to the test, such as changing the number of trials, adjusting the appearance of the button, or modifying the wait times? The test is responsive and will work on various screen sizes. That's very good. So, potentially something that we access through the web on your phone or your iPad. Great. So how to use: open the HTML file in the web browser, read the instructions, click anywhere to begin, wait for the countdown 3 to 1 for each trial, wait for the blue button to appear, click it as quickly as possible, and after 10 trials review your result and click try again to start. So I'm just going to accept everything here, and I have an extension called Live Server, which is a really useful tool that allows me to sort of run code in through the IDE itself, and I recommend you get it to sort of test it out. So let's see if this works. So I'm just going to go live. Let me go on my browser. So here we go, reaction time test. This test measures how quickly you can react to a stimulus. You will complete 10 trials. When you see a blue button appear, click it as quickly as possible, and your reaction time will be measured for each trial. Okay, there we go. So let's try. 3, 2, 1, get ready. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. So here we go. Gives me a trial by trial breakdown of everything on here and my average reaction time. That seems absolutely fantastic. So I'll just give it some more instructions. Yes, change the wait times and jitter them per trial. I want the button to always be there, but when it changes color, it indicates to me that I need to press it. Great, let's see if this works. And the beautiful thing about live server is that as soon as you refresh the web page, the changes occur straight away. So there you go, some thinking behind the hood. Look at that, so okay, so there's a grey button, changes blue when it's time to click. It's added some jitter, pre-generates the wait times. Each trial has its own unique wait time. Added a penalty for clicking too early, that's really good. And after the false start, the wait timer resets, so that's really good. Okay, so let's see how this works. I'll accept everything and go here and refresh the task. So there we go, and it's modified the instructions appropriately as well. A grey button will appear in the center of the screen. Wait for the button to change blue. Okay, let's just see how it goes. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Great. Seems to be a bit faster there, but I guess I'm reacting to the task and probably got used to it as well. Okay, in the next video I am going to show you how to turn this into a little bit more of a sophisticated task and to make sure the appearances are a bit more beautiful, all without even knowing to code.